So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to allocate ZonGuru files to your clients. Once you log into the ZonGuru dashboard, you'll see any of your already allocated files listed below. In this example, you can see I've got 3 files allocated, and I've also connected them to Amazon because all of that great data is pulling through. At the top, I'm seeing how many seats I've used and how many I have available. If you've used all of your available seats already and you'd like more added, just reach out to your private Slack channel and we'll get those added to your account immediately. In the meantime, if you've got available seats that you're ready to allocate, simply click the Add Client button. Here you're going to be prompted to enter in the client name, which is obvious, it's what you refer to as the client, and the email address. Now the email address is not the email address of the client, it's the email address of the internal staff member, the person ultimately responsible for managing this account. It does need to be unique and can't be attached to any of the other files here, but it doesn't need to be a live email address either. So for example, in this demo, I am adding the 4th brand, Amazon brand 4, and I've added a little variation to my normal regular email address. This email address is only used for login purposes. It doesn't need to be a live account. Everything related to the file can be managed from your agency login. So once I've entered that detail in, I can click add and it's going to appear as the 4th account in my list here. Obviously, the next step from there would be to make sure that I connect that file to Amazon and Amazon advertising to get all that great data pulling through.